If you've ever wondered why some kids get croup over and over while others never do, you're about to learn something fascinating. Let's decode what's really happening during a croup episode. That barking cough isn't just random inflammation, it's a sign that your child's nervous system is stuck in hyperdrive. Most parents get told to focus on humidity and temperature, but here's what's wild. Those things only help temporarily because they're not addressing why your child's airway are overreacting within the first place. When we help calm and reset the nervous system, we often see kids handle respiratory challenges completely different. It's like their body finally remembers how to stay calm instead of overreacting to every single trigger. Want to know if your child's nervous system might be making them more susceptible to croup? Drop calm below and let's talk about how to break the cycle.